Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning the dial pad sounds on and off on Xiaomi phones. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If the fake dial pad noise when entering numbers on your Xiaomi phone is annoying you, here is how to disable it. Start by opening the Settings app. If the Settings app isn't on your home screen, you can get to it via the app drawer. In Settings, tap Sound and Vibration. Now scroll down and select Additional Settings. Here you can enable or disable dial pad tones. This will stop the noise when entering numbers on your phone. You can also enable or disable tap sounds here, which will make a little sound whenever you tap the screen. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi and MIUI tips and tricks.